Xiaomi is introducing more affordable Smart Band 9 Active variant. The Band 9 Active looks a familiar design, not too different from the Band 8 Active. What's up friends? Welcome back to my channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. The Xiaomi Band 9 Active strap is much better integrated with the 1.47 inches display, giving it a more refined and sleek appearance. The refined design is created so that aesthetics and comfort improve, while retaining the screen size at 1.47 inches. The most considerable development would appear to be in the battery life department. The Band 9 Active is going to last up to 18 days on one charge, where the Band 8 stood at 14 days of battery life. This really upgrades its usability for those who need longer performance between charges. The Xiaomi Smart Band 9 Active will arrive in the first wave in the black, white and pink, as is commonly practiced. Xiaomi can produce more color variants within the nearest future, as has been done with the previous models. That's all for now and thanks for watching.